This is how you're going to create and customize an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Step 1, you're going to click on the new button or create in the top left corner of your screen right here. And then from here under the customer section, you're going to click on invoice. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to fill in the customer name, the payment terms, product, service details, and amount. So you can enter the customer right here. So for example, our customer is named Chris, and then after that we're just going to click on sample customer instead, since this is the existing one. You can also enter your customer email right here, and then the billing address, terms, invoice date, due date, service date, product and service description, quantity, rate, amount, and class. And then you can also add messages on here, message on statement, and then some attachments right here. Now, once you're done filling all of these out, you can just click on save and send or save or close. You can just find it at the lower right corner of your screen that you will usually find right here. Now, if you want to customize an invoice, what we're going to do next is we're going to click on the gear icon right here from your dashboard. So here you're going to click on the settings, and then from here you're going to click on custom form styles or accountant settings, sales tab, and then customize look and feel. It just depends on the layout of your QuickBooks. Now from here, you're just going to click on a new style right here, and then from there you're going to click on invoice. Once you're on your invoice page, you're just going to click on edit if it is existing, and then you're going to use the tabs like design, content, emails to customize. So for design, you're just going to change the template, the logo colors, and the font. You can also change your content right here, and then you're just going to click on sections of the invoice preview to edit what information is displayed, like for example the fields, the columns. And then for emails, you can customize the subject and body of the email sent with the invoice. Now once you're done, you're going to click on done at the bottom right corner of your screen. And that is how you're going to create and customize an invoice on QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.